Up with Miss Electra. And as you know, today I'm going to show you what I picked up from Bath and Body Works. All right, it's going to be Halloween and what I picked up for fall. So I'm really in the mood for fall. I love fall. I love Halloween. I basically love all the holidays and all the seasons really. But fall is my favorite, I think, because it's like so cozy and I love to decorate with fall stuff. So anyway, so today I'm going to show you what I picked up from Bath and Body Works. All right, so I was so excited when, I'm going to show you the fall candles I got first. I was so excited when I found these like plaid candles. So let me show you one by one and I'll tell you what I feel about the smell. I'm so excited for them. I can't wait to decorate with them. I actually didn't put them out because I wanted to do this video. All right, so let me start. Let's start with the green one. Look how pretty. I love this. You could use this for Christmas too, just for decor, but it's really, you know, a full like scent. So this is Autumn Trail. It smells good. This one kind of smells like a man's cologne, but I want to tell you, when you, sometimes when you burn them, they do smell differently than when you like just sniff it. So just want to tell you that. All right. And then they have a lid. I love the lid. It says Love Fall. It's a very nice lid. So this one has in there, yeah, it's like more like a woodsy smell. To me, it's more like a man kind of smell, I guess. All right, so Evening Air, Woodland Moss, Warm Black Pepper, and White Amber. So very cute. This is so nice to decorate with. We'll just leave these right here because I just love how they look. All right, so this is the blue plaid. I don't know if this is like considered buffalo check. All right, so this is Bourbon Maple. This one does smell really, really nice. Yeah, these are a lot of like woodsy smell. All right, I'm gonna tell you what's in there. Barrel aged bourbon, sugar amber, and maple wood. I kind of smell like I told you, woodsy. More like a wood smell, but it's so pretty. And like I told you, when you burn it, sometimes it smells, you know, more different. I just love how they look. Okay, and this is leaves. I love the way leaves smell. I just love it. Some people don't, but I love it. I love like the smell and then the after smell of it, if you know what I mean. But this is such a pretty like plaid. Just look at it. It's like a neutral color, so that's what I love. So the plaid ones have this lid. I don't know if they all have that lid. I'm not sure, but I really love how this smells. This smells really, really good. Okay, the red one now. The red one is Flannel. I love how Flannel smells too. Again, it's a little like woodsy. They're a little strong, these smells, except for leaves for me, believe it or not. It's not that strong. Okay. They're not really that strong because I've smelled like ones that really bother me. These candles don't. They're not like so, you know, to really, you know, get me like sick. So anyway, I like Flannel. I just love how these look. I said it again. But okay, so let's see what's in it. Fresh bergamot, heirloom mahogany, and soft musk. I do smell the soft musk. So I got all four of them. I don't think they had any other ones in the plaid. I'm not sure, but anyway, it looks really cute. And this cute little like jack-o'-lantern, I just love this one. This one I picked up from Lowe's. So if you're at your Lowe's, go check because they have some really cute, you know, Halloween stuff there. So then I picked up this. I am in love with this smell. I burned it already. This one is vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. This one smells really good. And then I got this little pumpkin. It's a magnet. It goes on the top. So I really love this candle, and I'm really enjoying the way it looks. So I'm using it like for decorating purposes too. But it's really cute. And they have all different colors in these little pumpkins. And they have some other magnets on top too. So, love this smell. This is probably like my favorite. I just love it. The pumpkin, the marshmallow, and the vanilla is top of my list. So, and it looks so pretty. Okay, so, oh, and my daughter got some candles too. So let me tell you what she picked. Daughter picked these candles. They all smell really, really good. So these come with this kind of lid. It's very pretty. This one's caramel apple. This one smells good too. I smell more the caramel than the apple. So this one's nice. I like the way it smells. This is marshmallow fireside. I like the smell too. I smell more marshmallow, just marshmallow. All right, and the same lid. And I want to tell you, this is my favorite. It smells, okay, it's hot chocolate and cream. It smells exactly like hot chocolate. So this would be perfect to have this right by your cocoa bar, your hot cocoa bar. And when you're serving the hot cocoa, just put this candle and you're gonna get the full effect. You're going to get the smell of hot cocoa like all over. So I think that would be fun. So I think you guys should get it. If you love hot chocolate, you're gonna love this. All right, so right now I got not too many things, but I'm gonna show you what I got for Halloween. So I posted this on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this. Okay. So I got the little cloches. So they had a ghost. I'm gonna show you the ghost first. It's very cute. The ghost has a little glitter. And this is the hot cocoa in the small version of the candle. Then I got this one. It only comes in 3. It comes in the ghost, the bat, and then a pumpkin. So, and then I got midnight blue citrus. And they all smell good, these little candles. I just picked candles that I think would look nice in the cloche, you know, kind of like matching it. All right, and then I got the pumpkin one, and then a little like pumpkin candle. Perfect pumpkin. The pumpkin's a little glittery. All right. And then I wanted to show you this. It's very pretty. It's like kind of like a champagne color leaves. So this is very cute. You stick it in the wall, and then all day it just gives you whatever smell you like. I forgot which one is this that my daughter got because she picked it out. So it smells really good, but I don't know which one she got. But this is really pretty. They have a lot of other ones too. So if you're looking for, you know, wallflowers, go to Bath and Body Works. My daughter picked this little stand because she loves vampires, and then she got vampire blood. Let's see how the vampire blood smells. She burned it already. And in there is strawberry, jasmine, and dark plum. I smell the strawberry a little. They're very cute things for Halloween. And then she got this, the vampire blood. As you can tell, she loves vampires, but it smells really, really good, and she keeps this in her bathroom. All right, so that's it that I picked up from Bath and Body Works for the fall. I don't think I'm gonna pick anything else up from Bath and Body Works. That's it for the fall and for Halloween. All right, so don't forget, follow me on Instagram if you wanna see other stuff that I do besides this, because I'm on there a lot. All right, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get subscribed. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite scent for the fall. I would love to know. Maybe I could try some other scents for the fall. Okay, there's more videos coming up. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.